Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Heidi, and on this video I'm going to do this haul or unboxing with you guys regarding this beautiful purse that I purchased from Farfetch, which is another exciting thing for me because this is the first time ordering from Farfetch. I've heard so many good things about them, and so I decided to try them out and see how they do business. And yeah, so let's get into it. I guess by the title of this video you might know what the bag is. It's the Gucci mini Antigona bag in black. I've already unboxed it, but I haven't taken it from the bag, like the dust bag. So it came like this, and it says like the box Farfetch, and it came wrapped in this paper, and it's inside this Gucci. Did I really say Gucci? It's the Givenchy dust bag. So this is it. And this is the bag, and it's brand new, as you guys can see, like very fresh and brand new. I am extremely happy with this purchase. This is the strap for the bag, the inside and everything. Yeah, this bag is fresh and brand new, because I have been wanting this bag and eyeing this bag for the longest time. I actually purchased this bag last year from a different company. I ordered it in the sugar leather or the pebble leather, and when I got it home, I can clearly tell that the bag was used. It wasn't new like this. Like, you can really tell that this is new. But that one, it didn't. But that other handbag, it didn't have these, and you know, it was like, it wasn't fresh. So and it also had some scuffs and marks and stuff, and so I ended up returning it and getting my money back. And fortunately, something good came up. I saw this on Farfetch for, I would say, a good $300 cheaper than retail price. So I really love that I was able to save money, and it's brand new. It doesn't come with a box, but that's okay. It comes with a dust bag. And another thing that I like about it is the shipping. The shipping was not a long time, even though it comes all the way from Italy. I think the shipping was kind of fast, and I am really impressed with Farfetch so far, with everything. And I decided to go with this like shinier leather instead of the pebble leather, because the pebble leather, I noticed that it scratches easier than this shiny leather. I know, like, most people would think that because it's shiny that this would scratch easier, but that's not the case. I think the pebble leather, because it's softer, it's going to take in scratches easier. That's just my opinion on it. I just really like the shininess. It just gives a little bit, not too much, just a tiny bit of drama to any outfit, and it's really going to make any outfit just look polished and well put together. Another thing about this bag, specifically this type of shiny leather, is that I have not seen it in a lot of stores here in LA. You know, I mostly see the pebble leather, excuse me. I mostly see the pebble leather in stores. I don't really come across this one. I don't know, I think because the pebble leather is a new version, so they want to put that out there and sell that. But this one, I don't really see that much here in the States. I don't know, maybe, I don't know, maybe it's becoming rare to see like the shiny leather, but I really love it. It's so cute, and I can't wait to do like a review and what fits inside with this cute little black bag I have been wanting for so long. And I'm so excited that I was able to not only get what I want, but also at a really good price, cheaper price than retail. Take this off so you guys can see what it looks like without this. And this is the inside of the bag. It's just a black hole. The interior is cotton. It comes with the tag and this like little envelope. Which has like a piece of the leather, and I guess this is going to be like instructions. The leather smells really nice. So that's the bag with the straps on, and I can't wait to start using it. It smells really good, like brand new, fresh leather, and I love it. So yeah guys, that was the unboxing for this Givenchy mini Antigona bag, which is so cute. And so yeah, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. See you on my next video. Bye.